How to fix if not charging on Moto G77. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your charger and cable. Cable is insert in phone. You will see charging cable is worked properly, and check your adapter. After check adapter and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if not charging on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.